Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our grammar class. Today, we are in our third lesson, adjectives. You may heard the term adjectives. In your previous classes, we learned about adjectives in detail. What are adjectives and which are the different types of adjectives? An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. There are many things that an adjective could tell us about a noun. An adjective describes or point out or tell us the number of quantity of a noun. That is why it is called the describing word. In short, the adjective is the word which describes the noun. For an example, first, Karan is a naughty boy. We can ask the question, what kind of boy? We will get the answer, naughty. Here, naughty is the adjective. Second, can you show me the red pen? Which pen? Red. Here, red is the adjective. There are 5 computers in the room. How many computers? 5. So, here 5 is the adjective. Most of the adjectives can be used in two positions. When the adjective is used before the noun, then it is used attributively or is an attributive adjective. If the adjective is before the noun, we can call such adjectives are used attributively or they are attributive adjective. In the following sentence, the happy family sat down to dinner. Here, the adjective happy is used before the noun family. So, we can say that is used attributively or is an attributive adjective. When the adjective follows the verb and is a part of the predicate of the sentence is called predicative adjective. For an example, the family is happy. In this sentence, the adjective follows the verb and is a part of the predicate. So, the word happy is a predicative adjective. The predicate adjectives comes after the verb be or verbs like feel, become and seem. Most adjectives can be used both attributively and predicatively, but certain adjectives, however, can be used only predicatively. There are also a number of adjectives which are always attributive. For example, alone, asleep, glad, etc. are the adjectives which are always used predicatively. Mere, former, main, etc. are the adjectives which are always used attributively. As we already told, adjectives are the describing words which are used before or after the noun. In your previous years, you had learned in detail about the different types of adjectives. We can ask the questions like what, which, how, etc. to identify the adjective in the sentence. Here we are in our exercise 1. Underline the adjectives and say whether they have been used predicatively or attributively. Firstly, we have to underline the adjectives. First sentence, there was a heavy damage to buildings in that area. We can ask the question, which type of damage? There was heavy damage. So here heavy is an adjective. Second, Gauri called several times. How many times? Several times. So here several is an adjective. Like the same way, you read the following sentences and find out the adjectives. Let us check your answers. First sentence, there was heavy damage to buildings in that area. In this sentence, heavy is the adjective. Second, Gauri called several times. Several, adjective. Third, the children were excited about the picnic. Adjective, excited. 4. Money was absent last week. Adjective, last week. 5. Kolkata is a large city. Large adjective. 6. The wise man waited patiently. Wise adjective. 7. The first prize was taken by a young child. In this sentence, there are two adjectives, first and young. 8. The last train leaves at 11:30 p.m. Last adjective. 9. Some dreams often seem real. In this sentence, real is the adjective. 10. This book is a good read. Good is the adjective. Tell me, how many of you made it all right? Good. Now, if there need any correction, please do it. Now, we have to identify whether these adjectives are used attributively or predicatively. If the adjectives are came before the noun, it is used attributively, or if it is after the verb or a part of the predicate, it is used predicatively. Now, you do one thing, take a pencil and just write above the underlined words whether it is used attributively or predicatively. Now, let us check whether your answers are right or wrong. In the first sentence, the adjective heavy came before the noun damage, so it is used attributively. In the second sentence, the adjective several came after the verb, so it is used predicatively. In the third sentence, the adjective excited came after the verb, so it also used predicatively. In the fourth sentence, the adjective last week came after the verb, so it is used predicatively. In the fifth sentence, the adjective large came before the noun city, so it is used attributively. In the sixth sentence, the adjective wise came before the noun man, so it is used attributively. In the seventh sentence, there are two adjectives, first and young. The adjective first came before the noun price and the adjective young came before the noun child. So both the adjectives are used attributively. In the eighth sentence, the adjective last came before the noun train. So it is used attributively. In the ninth sentence, the adjective real came after the verb or it is a part of the predicate. So we can call it is used predicatively. In the last sentence, the adjective good came before the noun read. So it is used attributively. Correct the wrong answers and copy the exercise neatly to your notebook.